let's get started. The first All right, let's get started. The first step is to chop the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. First, peel the garlic. Thinly slice the peeled garlic. Remove the seeds from the red chili and slice it into rings. Peel the prawns and remove the tails. Devein the prawns by removing the black vein from the backs of the prawns. That's it for preparations. The next step is to sauté the garlic. You'll need a frying pan with a lid. Put the olive oil in the frying pan. Add the thinly sliced garlic and the sliced red chili. Sauté over low heat until the garlic and chili begin to change color and become fragrant. Add the prawns and continue to sauté. Add some salt and give the ingredients a quick stir. Put the lid on the frying pan and simmer for around 1 minute. Add the lemon juice and simmer briefly. Next, get a serving dish ready that you can use on the stovetop. Ideally, you should use a cazuela clay pot. Transfer the contents of the frying pan into the cazuela pot and warm it over low heat. Garnish with finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Nice work!